Hi everyone, welcome back to our KOSO kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are making a simple, soothing mint tea, perfect for supporting your gut and mind. Mint has been shown to help relax the digestive muscle, reduce bloating, and even support the gut-brain connection by calming the nervous system. Some people find that mint tea helps ease cold and flu symptoms. The refreshing scent of peppermint can support breathing by opening up nasal passages, while menthol's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect may contribute to overall relief. Combined with our KOSO, which nourish your gut microbiome, this tea becomes a powerful ritual for both digestion and emotional balance. I'm going to show you how to make postbiotic mint tea with our KOSO. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves and a tea bag to a small pot. Any black, green, or herbal tea works. If you're having this tea in the evening, I recommend that you choose caffeine-free tea such as rooibos or herbal tea like camomile. Pour in 2 cups of water and bring it to a gentle boil. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes to extract the nutrient and aroma from the mint. Then turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let it steep for another 3 minutes. Don't leave it too long, as the tea will be bitter. Pour the mint tea into a cup and add a spoonful of our KOSO, a postbiotic drink made from over 100 kinds of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, and Japanese herbs. Enjoy this warm, refreshing tea as a part of your evening wind down or after a heavy meal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you again soon.